it's daily work. So it's daily, whatever has been done has to be completed, has to be checked, cross-checked and gone and finished the portion, because it's like target is there that this term has got this much of portion, so that has to be finished, that has to be checked, examination papers have to be made, all this has to be done. So and then at home it's like all the chaos of home, you have to do them also. So it's just that you have to take into account how to balance, and definitely no doubt we are at school, but some part still remains there, that home, the kid, the family does stay here.
This is a building which has been constructed post earthquake, but then I really haven't seen tomorrow. Nobody knows what nature has planned. It is very important for all of us to know that disasters are not in our hands, but what to do when the disasters occur can certainly be taken care of, and the injuries and the other things can be taken care of if the children know how to handle the disasters.
Children are a very, very important part of our social firmament, and so therefore out of this realization that we need to specially focus on the making the schools safer, making people more and more aware about what kind of safety and risks which children face, we thought that we'll come up with the Gujarat School Safety Initiative, and we hope that this would make children more confident, parents more confident about the fact that risks are reducing for children.
But then now I feel that once we have had this program, it will be much more easier for us if something like this, God forbid, it happens. So what happens is now we are, kind of mindset, we are into it, that this is our duty that we have to perform. This is how we have to handle the situation.
While Gujarat earthquake lasted for a short time, the people, are still living with that fear. So our mission was basically to take that fear out of the minds of the people, especially the younger generation. This program has already started rolling, and our bigger challenge is to reach out to each and every school going child in the state, which means 44,000. It's not an easy task. It may take several years, maybe a decade to do that. But we'll not stop until we've reached out to every school.